Palakpakan tayo po.
Look at me, look at me. I am changing, trying every way I can. I am changing. I'll be better than I am. I'm trying to find a way to understand, but I need you. I need you. I need a hand. How you changing, seeing every piece of me. I am changing. I'm going to start right now, right here. I'm hoping to work it out, and I know that I can. But I need you. I need your hand. Oh, I've been a fool. You said I could do it all alone. How many good friends have I already lost? And how many partners have I known? Walking down the wrong road. There was nothing I could find. Oh, those things are past. To make a person proud, but now I can see I am changing, trying every way I can. I am changing. I'll be better than I am, but I need the brain to work it out, and I know that I can. Oh, that will be just fine. I know it's gonna work out this time, 'cause this time I am, this time I am. I am changing. I'll give my life to that you know. Oh, I'm changing. Yes, I know how. I'm gonna start again. I'm gonna leave the past behind, and I'll change my life. I'll make a vow. Nothing's gonna stop me now.
Our contestant number 9, Mr. Jeffrey Carrillo. That was amazing, Jeffrey. Alam mo, kumakanta din ako pero hindi pa ako kumanta ng boses babae. Mahirap. Tama? Mahirap. Sobra. Siguro kung yung Mami Pico, ako talaga ang queuing magkantang boses babae. Anong practice ang ginagawa mo pag ganyan?
Actually, kahit po kasi, alam ko muna na ako, Amanda. Then, I discovered to since elementary, Amanda. Then, balok yung sarili ko, Agyo ko naman ako.
Taga-ano ka rin ka pala, Jeffrey?
Actually, San Pablo. Guagua.
San Pablo,
Actually,
ayan.
kaya na ako may kandidati.
Where?
Wedding.
Talaga, Lemonane, small world. But anyway, siguro mas ma-inspired ka niyang sinambot si Pomoy na yan. Diba? Kasi talaga namang ma-inspired ka kaya. Alright, so pakaramdaman tayo kay Mr. Eric Zapanta.
Okay, good evening, Jeff.
Good evening po.
Okay, ito po para ma-educate din po tayo. Yung classification of voices sa lalaki, tatlo po yun. Yung tinatawag nating tenor, baritone, bass. Ito yung natural boses ko. Yung ginamit mo kanina, yun ang natural na boses mo kay Kuya Jan, yung pagsasalita mo kanina. Pero gumamit ka ng tinatawag namin sa term na falsetto. Ito po yung other term is head tone. Yung head tone, acceptable na po, lalo na kapag hindi maabot ng natural voice mo, tinataas mo definitely, magpa-falsetto ka para maabot mo yung tone na dapat mo. Yung iba, boses babae, sabi dyan sa ganon. Si Joselito Pomoy, tsaka si Anton Diba, yun ang isa sa mga example ng gumagamit ng mga head tone. Okay, sa head tone, okay, magaling mong na-interpret. Ito lang ang napansin ko pa, kulang ng kapal, tsaka yung diction. Karamihan, ako nagpa-falsetto din, nasa-sacrifice karaniwan yung diction nung awitin kapag hindi ka gamay doon sa pagpa-falsetto. Meron din kaakibat na training kasi yan, kasi hindi mo naman yan natural na boses. Kaya, pero good ang napalitaw mo na boses doon sa Jeff. Keep on singing. Marami ka pang pwedeng matutunan, tsaka mag-i-improve palalo ang boses mo, guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Eric Zapanta, and good luck, Jeffrey. Sana makapasok ka sa mga magiging winners for tonight. And ang hirap kaya, Sir Eric, turungan mo nga akong ganung klaseng voice.
Pwede?
Mahirap.